Hello dear friends, welcome to our KHTV YouTube channel. We are farming to about earthquake updates. A good information in South Africa. According to the seismological survey and second volcano discovery reported, the moderate magnitude 4.9 earthquake Indian Ocean, South Africa on Saturday. April 2022 occurred at 3 hours 13 minutes AM local time, and its depth was recorded at 10 km. Like, share, subscribe, and press bell to our channel for more update. Thank you.